Snowflakes and welcome to this video. So in this video I am teaching you how to make some really yummy Valentine's Day breakfast ideas. So I did a video like this in the past and I'll have that linked down below or in the card section. Let's get on into the video. So to begin, we're going to make heart-shaped waffles. And first you just want to make your favorite waffle mix. I am just using a store-bought kind where I just add some water and oil and that's it. But you can use any recipe that you want. Then I'm going to split the batter into a few different bowls and dye them different colors. So I decided to go with really dark red and a lighter pink. But this would be good with like pink, red, and just normal white batter. But you want a few different colors so that it looks really cute when you're making your heart waffles. Now if you already have a heart-shaped waffle iron, then you'll have no problem making these and you won't waste anything. But I don't, so I had to use my regular waffle maker, which is square, so I had to cut out the hearts using cookie cutters. But it would be so much easier if you just had a heart waffle maker. But I still made it work. So you just cook your waffles and then I'm putting them on a cutting board and just cutting out a big heart and a few smaller hearts, whatever you want, and then I'm going to assemble them on my plate looking super cute, and then I'm going to add some syrup, and then I'm going to give them to my love. And he thought that these were super cute and they were super yummy, and I actually ate the scraps of it, so we didn't waste anything. Next, we're making smoothie bowls. So at Walmart, you can get great value smoothie packs, and you just throw them in your blender and add water or juice and just blend them up. Now for the ones that I'm using, you definitely need some sort of sweetener. The cranberries in this is super tart and it's kind of bitter, so make sure you add a sweetener to it. But this is a really cute idea, and then you can cut your fruit into little heart shapes and it's super cute and super yummy and healthy. Lastly, we're making heart French toast. So you're gonna make your favorite French toast recipe. I'm just making a simple one that I found online, and then I'm cutting my pieces of bread into heart shapes. And then I'm dipping them into my mixture and then throwing them on my griddle. And these were super quick to make, super easy, and they're super tasty. And to plate them, I decided to put them on the plate looking super cute, and then I cut up some fruit. You can cut up strawberries, bananas, whatever kind of fruit the person likes. I did bananas because my husband loves bananas. And then I added some syrup, and that was it. And this was another really lovely breakfast idea. So I did a video like this last year, and I will put that in the card section for you to check out, but it will be more Valentine's breakfast ideas. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that Valentine's Day video. I am super excited for Valentine's Day. It's actually one of my favorite holidays. So yeah. So I'll see you in my next video really soon. Make sure you like and subscribe to stick around. Bye!